So we're on a tour today, visiting some islands and then the desert of Huacachina. We've stopped at this bakery. They do all these sort of wooden oven goods. Let's try this. This is a sort of flatbread with queso, which means cheese. Pretty good.
Eso, otra arriba, arriba Perú, arriba. Mira, cámara, un genio. Ya está, a ver. Hay un boni, pese, apoya, pesigo. Pescadito, una bonita.
So we are going to the Islas Ballestas. Just waiting for our guide to come. I think we're going to be catching a boat from down the pier there. We should be seeing quite a lot of wildlife, like sea lions, loads of like wild birds and all that. So really looking forward. You don't always get to go on the ocean to see an island with the wildlife that you don't normally see around our areas. Looks safety first.
El cactus también es conocido, así como tiene muchos nombres, también tiene muchas teorías. La primera teoría se lo atribuye a que lo realiza este desierto. Cuando la cultura Paracas muere, van a ser otra cultura, la cultura Nazca, de tal manera que se piensa que las primeras líneas o figuras fueron hechas en este.
Donde los bebés de los chiqueros, no mucho más, sí vaya. The female gives birth. Lo sacamos por el cuello. Wow.
Se cayó el otro y no puede decirle el otro ni al macho cómo lo bota el otro.
Esa es la diferencia básica.
Lunchtime. So now we're going into the desert. Got a ticket.
Chaleco rojo. So
We are in the desert here in Huacachina, Peru. Look at the view. That's incredible. Been in the Sahara Desert, the Wadi Rum Desert. The only difference between this one and those deserts is that the dunes are quite higher here. I mean, they're basically like mountains. I mean, that dune down there, I don't know if you can see it, looks like a pyramid right in the, between the town and the desert. That's huge. I thought it was a mountain. Anyway, this tour, we booked it on Get Your Guide. It included what we've done until now, the boat trip, where we saw the sea lions, the penguins, the birds, etc. Then we went, there was some wine pisco tasting, we done that as well. And obviously the Huacachina Desert experience. The buggy was included as well. You can do sandboarding, but it's not my thing, to be honest with you. I didn't even do it when we went to the Sahara, so. But yeah, it's beautiful here. Let's just have a look this way. Yeah, I think people do sandboarding here. Wow, look at that oasis. Looks pretty cool. Green spot in the desert. I truly enjoyed this tour. It was good that we could do the dune buggy as well. We done something similar when we went to Morocco in the deserts. This was good as well as that one. So what we're going to do now, we're going to drive back to Lima. That's going to take about 4 hours. So I think this is the last video of the day. Anyway, I'll be doing another video tomorrow in Lima. And then about 6 PM we've got our flight to Bogota, and then switch planes at Bogota to London. So I might probably just do another video about Lima, and then the flight back home, as it might interest some of you. So this is it from Huacachina Desert in Peru. More coming from Lima tomorrow morning. See you soon.